there, it's Nonna Teresa. Today I'm gonna be making Cranberry Crostata. So I'm gonna start doing it now. Here I have water and sugar boiling. Today I'm using this ocean spray cranberries, frozen. And they're right here. So I'm gonna add them to the water and sugar. Wow, they're so big, beautiful cranberries. So once this is done, I'm gonna start making the dough for the crostata. So we'll wait until this pops. We're gonna start popping the cranberries. Okay, I'm gonna stir them now. They're boiling. So you just cook the cranberries according to the package. Okay, now they're gonna cook and I'll see you soon until they're done. Okay, the cranberries seems like they're done. Beautiful. Who doesn't like cranberries? Yeah, if you have any leftovers after we do the crostata, you can always eat it with toast in the morning. Okay, and I'll see you soon. Okay, now I'm gonna start making the crostata. Here I have the cranberries that I did earlier. And here's a crostata pan. I butter it and it's all ready. So now I'm gonna start with the eggs. My hands are washed. My counter is clean. So let's get started. Okay, make sure you have a nice big bowl. I'm gonna put the sugar and I'll start beating a little bit. I'll add the oil. You could do this with in a mixer, but I like to do with my hands. Vanilla extract. Start adding the flour a little bit at a time. We're going to add the baking powder and lemon zest. And some lemon zest. So we don't need the juice today, but you don't have to throw the juice out from this lemon. So you can squeeze it and put it in a Ziploc bag and put the juice in your freezer. When you need it, it's always good to have it. So now I'll put the rest of the flour and I'll do it with a spatula. And now I'm going to put it on the counter and I'll work the dough a little bit on the counter, okay? Some flour. This dough, it's really soft and it's really nice to manage. It breaks, but you can always, patch up when it breaks. Okay. Collect all the flour. Smells good from the lemon. Okay, nearly done. We'll collect all the flour here. So all the flour, it's all collected from the counter, nice and clean. Okay, now we're gonna stretch the dough. Nice and soft. Okay, now I'm gonna just wash my hands and leave the dough here. And I will be back to assemble the crostata. Be right back. Okay, now I'm gonna cut some of this dough, just like that, and leave some because I'm gonna be doing this strips on top. So here I have some parchment paper. I'll put some flour on the parchment paper here. Okay, kind of just help to do a little bit of a, round shape, which we're going to be doing it with a rolling pin. Okay, and just dust a little bit with flour. Okay, now do this. Let's see if it's big enough. I think so. Okay.
Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girano, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto a tuo giro.
Kind of breaks a little bit, but you can fix it, It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, see? Looks good. So with a fork, I'm just going to poke it a little bit. Okay, that's done. Okay, now we're going to put the cranberries. And it's up to you how much, you want to put inside your crostata. I cooked quite a bit of cranberries because we like it, like I said, we like it on the toast. And I'll be doing more crostata with cranberries because this is so delicious. When I make it, it goes fast. We eat it, no problem. Okay, now I'm gonna do for the top. I'll add some flour here on the counter. Okay, don't forget, if you decided you want to make the crostata, always put flour when you're stretching the dough. I'll start adding them to the crostata here, cutting them. Okay, I'll just get one from here. And don't worry if it breaks. Okay. Okay. And this way. Okay. And maybe I managed to put the border around. And it looks complete. Okay, that's how, it's done with the border. And this dough, it's super, super yummy. It's crunchy and it's buttery, and there's no butter, like I did it with oil, this dough, but it's really, really good to eat. So now I'm gonna put an egg wash on top. And this is optional if you want to do the egg wash. Some people do, some people don't. And I like to do it. And then I like to put a little sugar on top for a crispy, crunchy crust. Now we'll put some sugar. Okay, the oven is ready. I'm gonna put it right away. And I'll see you soon when it comes out. The crostata is ready. I'm gonna put it here. It's been cooling off. Looks beautiful. Look. Nice. Just gotta cut a piece. It's still a little warm. So you can serve this with icing sugar or the way it is. Nice. Beautiful. I'm gonna put it here. Okay, and I'll show you how it looks like with icing sugar. Nice. Okay, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, ciao for now.